Maybe you felt it before. That pulse of wonder when you hold a gemstone in your hand. Its surface flickers in the light, quiet yet alive, as if it's keeping an ancient secret. But here's the real question. Is it real or just pretending to be? In a world flooded with imitations, knowing what's genuine has never been harder. Diamonds grown in labs, glass that mimics emeralds, synthetic sapphires that even fool jewelers sometimes. Nature's treasures have rivals now. And the truth, well, it's often hidden in plain sight. So today we're going to slow down, step into your own home, and learn how to reveal a gemstone's truth. No labs, no expensive machines, just patience, observation, and a little curiosity. Hold that gemstone in your hand. Feel its temperature first. Real stones often borrow the chill of the earth. They feel cool to the touch, even after a while. Fakes, especially glass ones, tend to warm quickly, losing that mysterious calm you find only in natural stones. Think of it as the stone's first whisper. Nature stays cold a little longer, now tilted under light. See that glimmer? A real gemstone doesn't just shine, it dances. The light bends, scatters, reflects differently with every angle, like a living prism. But a fake often looks too perfect, too consistent, its beauty strangely unmoving. Sometimes truth hides in imperfection. Here's a simple test. The breath test. Exhale gently on the surface, letting a thin fog form. Real gemstones clear up in an instant. Fakes take a few seconds longer. That tiny moment tells a lot, because authentic stones disperse heat faster. Nature crafted them dense, ancient. They've lived through pressure and time. If you've got a magnifying glass, look deep inside. Real gems often carry birthmarks, tiny inclusions, feathers, or faint mineral lines, nature's fingerprints. A flawless gem might look divine, but in reality, perfection can be suspicious. The earth doesn't make perfect things, it makes true things. And yet, here's the twist. Sometimes the fakes are crafted with such skill, even experts struggle to tell. That's the paradox. We chase beauty, but forget authenticity often hides in the flaws. If you have a diamond, try the water drop test. Place it on a flat surface, drop a small bead of water on top. A real diamond refuses to break the water droplet. It holds its shape for a moment before rolling away. A fake lets the water seep and spread. It's like watching trust being tested. It either holds or it doesn't. And then there's sound. Tap it gently against another gemstone. Real ones ring sharp and clear. Imitations give a dull, heavy thud. It's a quiet conversation between stones. If you listen, one will always reveal itself. But here's what might surprise you most. Testing gemstones at home isn't just about finding out what's real. It's about reconnecting with awe. The kind our ancestors felt when they picked up a glowing stone by firelight and believed it held magic. In some ways, they were right. Each genuine gem is older than any human story, made in darkness, under unimaginable pressure, until it found its way into your hands. So when you test your gemstone, don't rush it. Notice how it catches the light, how it feels, how it sounds. Whether it's a true emerald or just green glass, that moment of curiosity, that search for truth, makes you part of something timeless. In the end, the real treasure isn't the stone itself. It's learning to see, because the world is full of things pretending to shine. But those who take time to look closely, they find what's real.